Hey all, I want to talk to you today about living at home during a renovation. Oftentimes when we sit down with clients, they usually ask us if they can live in the space. And if it's a main floor type renovation or an upper floor full gut, we highly stress that it isn't a good idea to live within the renovation. Usually those renovations can take anywhere from 3 months and upwards, depending on the scope. And it causes a lot of stress. It causes stress on you individually. It causes stress on the relationship, the kids, and also our furry friends, the pets. We've had situations where clients basically had nowhere to go. They live in the basement, and you can kind of see the progression of stress throughout the project. So when you're planning your project, and of course you always hear me talk about planning, this is a big piece. Make sure you have a budget or you factor in a place to stay for however long the contractor lets you know the project's going to be. Don't live in the construction zone. There's safety issues, and also a whole host of things that your contractor can talk to you about. If you're doing a basement renovation or a bathroom renovation, that's a little bit different. I mean, sometimes those things can be worked around, and most times you're able to live in the space, but it's up to the contractor to explain to you what impact that's still going to have on you and the family. But if it's a main floor gut where you don't have a kitchen anymore and water lines are being turned off, there's nowhere to cook, or a second floor where everyone sleeps, make sure you have a plan. It's way worth waiting to start the renovation instead of getting it done right away and trying to live within it. It's just not a good idea. So I can't stress that more. And if I gave you a list of people that have lived through a renovation, I'm pretty sure a huge chunk of them would say they would never do it again. Have a great week, guys. Look forward to talking to you again.